Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I will be showing you guys how I created this makeup look for Eid, and due to high demand I will be using only halal makeup for this video, and I will be using the makeup from the brand Iba Halal Care. All their makeup products are halal certified, PETA certified, cruelty free and vegan. How amazing is that? And let's begin now. To start off with, I'll be using the newly launched Iba Photo Perfect HD Primer, and I'll take a little bit of it and apply it on my T-zone. It blurs out the pores and makes the makeup stay long all day. Now I will be taking the Iba Halal liquid foundation in the shade Ivory Fair and take 2 pumps of this foundation and dot it all over my face. This is a breathable, oil-free and long-stay foundation. And now with the help of a beauty blender, I'll blend this foundation, and as you can see, it blends out beautifully in the skin and it also gives the face a beautiful glow. This foundation also has SPF 15 in it. That means you can go out on Eid and enjoy without any skin damage. Now I will apply Iba Perfect Look Long Wear Mattifying Compact in the shade Fair Pearl and apply it all over my face so that my face stays oil free and budge proof all day long. Now I will be using the Strawberry Moisture Rich Lip Balm. It is also a new launch. I'll apply it on my lips to prep my lips till I do the rest of my makeup. Now I will use the Iba All Day Kohl Kajal and I will create a classic eye makeup look with this kohl. I'll apply it in my eyes and then I'll smudge it with a brush, and I'll also use this kajal as an eyeliner because honestly it is enough to create a perfect eye look. So I'm applying it in my eyes and then smudging it. Now I'll curl my lashes and apply mascara. Taking Iba Moisture Rich Lipstick in the shade Copper Dust, I'll contour my nose. It makes the nose look really slim. And now comes the showstopper, the newly launched Iba Halal Liquid Lipstick. It has such a beautiful packaging, you guys. I love it. And the texture of this lipstick is to die for. It is so smooth on the lips and the pigment is beautiful. It has Moroccan argan oil, sweet almond oil and marula oil in it. And it stays on the lips all day long. It is non-transfer proof and I love it. Now I'll also dot it on my cheeks and blend it with a wet beauty blender. It is quite hard to blend, so make sure you use a sponge. And this is the final makeup look. I loved how it turned out. I'm wearing a headpiece made up of real gold and pearls. It is my mom's jewelry, and the scarf, the dress and the hand chain is from my own brand, and you can shop it from ramshasultank.com. And of course the makeup is from Iba Halal Care. All their products are available on all leading online stores and you can shop it from them. And I really hope that you liked this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on all social media handles. Until then, Eid Mubarak.